Before we get into today's information, I want you to think about a success. And what's coming to mind for me is the first time I made a big payday in a personal injury case. Before focusing on Amazon, I was a trial lawyer for car accidents, trip and falls, medical malpractice. And I remember one case, client's name was Susie, and when I walked out of that courtroom, I had $135,000 in fees in my pocket, and it was awesome. So think about one of your successes, set the tone for an awesome day today. What I'm going to be talking about in this video is that Amazon is doing more and more in-person bin checks of inventory. So if you're falsely accused of selling counterfeit products, you can write to Amazon and request that someone actually goes to the warehouse, goes to FBA, starts digging through the bins, and finds your inventory to confirm that your inventory is genuine and not false. And this is vital because the number of false counterfeit complaints is rising, and a lot of brands use it just to get you off the platform. We're hopeful that they follow through and they continue to do this, and that they search your inventory and confirm that yours is 1000% genuine. Dan Metters and Dylan Frost are two amazing Amazon sellers who created the wholesale formula to teach you how to be successful by mimicking their successful formula. The wholesale formula teaches you how to have success on Amazon with the 3 S's. Scout, how to identify opportunities in the marketplace. Source, how to get those products directly from the brands so that you avoid the intellectual property complaints we'll be talking about in a minute. And number 3, sell, how to create killer listings on Amazon so that consumers buy your products. Check out the Wholesale Formula, an incredible course to start selling on Amazon or to improve your sales on Amazon.